11th question says a window is in the form of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircular opening. Okay. The total perimeter of the window is 10 meter in a rectangle and surmounted by a semicircular opening. This is a semicircular opening, let us say. Total perimeter of the window is 10 meter. Find the dimensions of the window to admit maximum light through the whole opening. Now maximum light will open if the area is maximum, right? Perimeter is given and area has to be maximized. That's the important thing. Okay, total perimeter is 10 meter. Perimeter is given to be 10 meter. And we want to maximize the area so that maximum light enters through the opening. Okay, there's only one unit of length measured and that is meter. We'll use that. Okay, let us assume this is x, this is y. So this will be radius of this circle and you can observe that r will be equal to x by 2. That is one thing, right? Perimeter is equal to 10 implies that perimeter 10 is equal to this x plus y plus this y. Perimeter will be the boundary only. We don't need this x over here. X plus y plus this y, this x, this y, and this semicircle. Semicircle will be pi r. And pi r. Okay, let's write pi r only. This is one of the relations, right? Okay. And radius is simply x by 2, right? Radius is simply x by 2. So I can write pi x by 2. This is 2y plus x plus pi x by 2. Okay, you have a relation between x and y. And what about the area? Area is simple. Area is this xy is the rectangular region plus half of pi r square is what you have over here, right? And we can eliminate this r again using that x. And what do we get over here? Therefore, area is equal to xy plus half into pi r square. Pi times x square by 4 is what I get. Now you have x and y, two variables involved over here in the area. You have to eliminate one of the variables using this 10. So this tells me area in terms of x can be found. X times y will be equal to 10 minus x minus pi x by 2 upon 2. Whole divided by 2 plus this is pi x square by 8. Now we have complete area in terms of x and we can differentiate this with respect to x to get the minimum and maximum values, whatever is required, right? So maximum light will imply maximum area is required. So this is, okay, this becomes 10x by 2 which is 5x, the derivative is 5 minus x square by 2. Minus x square by 2, the derivative will be x square, the derivative will be minus 2x by 2 which is minus x, and this is minus pi by 4 and times x square derivative is 2x again. This is plus 2 pi x by 8. That's what you have, right? So you have 2 pi x by 8, you have 2 pi x by 4 with a minus. Okay, so this becomes 4 pi x by 8 and this is 2 pi x by 8 with a plus 5 minus x minus 2 pi x by 8 is what I get. This is what I'm getting, right? Okay, can I find the value of x easily? Yes, this is 5 minus x times 1 plus 2 pi by 8. If I take x common, this is what I get. On double differentiation, you will observe that this becomes minus of 1 plus 2 pi by 8 which is negative. So this is the kind of shape that you'll get, and yes, x equals, if this is equal to 0, 5 upon 1 plus 2 pi by 8 gives me, this implies a max, right? Single derivative equal to 0 is the critical point. At the critical point you are getting a maximum, so x area maximum will be for x equals this. Okay, find the dimensions of the window to admit maximum light through the whole opening. Okay, so dimensions of the window would imply that you need the width of the rectangular part, you need the height of that rectangular part, and corresponding to it you will have a semicircular over there. So x is obtained. Okay, very nice. Like x is equal to 40 over 2 pi plus 8, or you can say that x is equal to 20 upon pi plus 4 meters. This is x, that's the width. What about y? Y can be obtained with the help of this result. Yes, we have used that over there. So y will be equal to, let's calculate y with the help of all this information. Okay, x is already there, 20 upon pi plus 4. Yes, 10 is equal to 2y plus, let's take the LCM, 2 plus pi upon 2, x times 2 plus pi upon 2 is what I have. Yes, 2 plus pi upon 2, and what else? this tells me that 2y will be equal to 10 minus 2 plus pi upon 2 times x. X is 20 upon pi plus 4. Let's simplify this further. What is this simplifying into? We have this goes 10 times, and what do we have in the denominator is pi plus 4. In the numerator this is 10, and you have pi plus 4 minus 2 minus pi, which is 2, and this becomes 20 upon pi plus 4 as well. So this is 2y, and y will become actually 10 times this. So let's get rid of this 20 and let's write it 10 over there. That will be my final answer for this question over here. This is 10 upon this in terms of meter. That's the final answer for this. X equals this, y is equal to this. Those are the dimensions of the window to admit maximum light through the whole opening, x and y. X is this width, okay, which is the diameter of the semicircular opening as well, and the height of this particular rectangular part will be 10 upon pi plus 4. That's the final answer for this question over here.